Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the SAC code on GST report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Tax Reports menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to select the GST report menu. On this GST reports page, we have to select the voucher type. And also we have to enter the required details. After selecting the details, then we have to click the submit button. Now we can see the SAC code details. This is how to view the SAC code on GST report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.